Many of you have asked me this question: is Spocket part of Shopify? It's a great question because the two platforms are so often used together. The short answer is no, Spocket is not owned by Shopify. They are two separate, independent companies. But that's not the full story, and understanding the difference is key to building a successful dropshipping business. Think of it this way: Shopify is the foundation of your house. It's the e-commerce platform that allows you to build your online store, manage your products, process payments, and run your business. Spocket, on the other hand, is one of the many tools you can use within that house. Specifically, it's a dropshipping app found on the Shopify App Store. Its job is to help you find and source products from suppliers, primarily in the US and Europe, and then automatically add those products to your Shopify store. So while they aren't the same company, they have a powerful partnership. Spocket relies on platforms like Shopify to function. Here's why this relationship is so beneficial. Once you've set up your Shopify store, you simply install the Spocket app. From there, you can browse Spocket's huge catalog of products from vetted suppliers. When you find a product you like, you can import it directly to your Shopify store with a single click. The product details, images, and descriptions are all synced over. When a customer buys that product from your Shopify store, Spocket automatically sends the order to the supplier, who then ships the item directly to your customer. Spocket handles all the order fulfillment and inventory tracking for you, all within your Shopify dashboard. So, Shopify provides the platform to run your entire e-commerce business, and Spocket is a specialized tool that enhances your Shopify store by giving you access to a network of dropshipping suppliers. It's a symbiotic relationship. You need a platform like Shopify to host your store, and Spocket provides the inventory and automation to make dropshipping easy. Together, they create a streamlined solution for starting and scaling an online business.